In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this Realme. Firstly, you need to access settings and scroll down just a bit. Now tap on display and brightness. After that, scroll all the way down, click on screen refresh rate and tap on the one that you wish to apply, in my case high. So now when I go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of this smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!